So we're down here in the shop. I'm working on some pants, well, tights, pants style tights, I guess you'd say, for a customer of mine, client of mine. And we do pockets on the back of his. So I've got these partially done, but I wanted to go over something real quick, just a tip for these pockets. Now these are for, I guess what you consider costume wear or athletic wear. It's for a professional wrestler, so a bit of showmanship with some functionality, durability. Now, I like to make the pockets functional. So I've already put these on here. I'll do another video step by step, but it's not that complex, so I just thought I'd show. So to make the pockets functional, I'm not going to pull them and open them right now, but the top of this opens. But you can see it's 2 layers. So I based, like say, the gold to this black underlayer, and then I do this top stitch here. You can see it. This top stitch here first before I attach it and baste it to the pants, to the tights. That way that's stitched down and the pocket can still open, and then I won't stitch this top here. Now I can fold this down and just make it gold, double it up, whatnot, but I like the way it looks like this. And then what I'll do is I'll start here, do maybe a little 1/2 inch stitch across, and then come down around my pocket to where I'm back here and do another little 1/2 inch over stitch right there to kind of bind it all together, and it gives it some durability. And then I will go around the black in the same spot right here, come across, and then down and around. And then that just makes the pocket functional in case he wants to put a bandana back there, or whatever. But yeah, pretty simple, not too complex. These are just a regular pentagon looking pocket that you'd find on jeans or anything like that. So yep, that is how we do our pockets. I'll do a step by step on another pair, or just on some scrap fabric. So I guess when we're doing this too, when I do my measurements on these, there's a 1/2 inch, an 1.5 inch waistband on this because of belt loops. So when I do these, I have my center seam. I measure over 2 inches from each side, and that's the distance I put the pocket. And then down, I measure down about 4 1/4, because that gives me 3 inches for my elastic when I fold this over, and then it gives me about another 1.25 inches distance from that waistband seam to clean it up, and it gives me some distance for the belt loops, because these have belt loops that'll go right here, so it gives me some space for that. So that is how we do our pockets.